You might think that your finances are fine, but what if they're not? What if there are warning signs you've been ignoring? Signs that could be quietly draining your money and keeping you broke. Most people don't realize they're in financial trouble until it's too late. And by then, fixing it is 10 times harder. But here's the good news. If you catch these 5 warning signs early, you can turn things around fast. So if you want to avoid financial disaster and start building real wealth, pay close attention because these 5 signs can change everything. Let's dive in. But first, this is Powerful Money Habits. I'm your host, Dr. Stephanie Aldrich, and I like to talk about habits and money that can help improve your life. If you're new to the channel and like the video, please hit the subscribe button down below. All right, let's get back to the show. So the first one is you have no idea where your money is going, okay? If you get paid and your money disappears, that's really a problem, isn't it? Not tracking your spending means that you're likely overspending without even realizing it. How do you fix that? Is you have to start tracking every dollar. So apps like Every Dollar, okay, which is what I use. It's Dave Ramsey's free version, okay, or YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even just a simple spreadsheet or a piece of paper and a pen, okay? I never did this until 2020 during the COVID pandemic, and it's the one thing that's been responsible for me paying off my debt and investing enough to reach financial independence. The next one is you're living paycheck to paycheck. If one missed paycheck would leave you struggling, your finances are in danger. No matter how much you earn, if you spend it all, you're stuck in survival mode. How do you fix that? You gotta start by saving just $10 or even $50 per paycheck and work towards an emergency fund. The experts say save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses, okay? And you put those back into a high yield savings account, okay? So that if something happens and you need the money, it's there. And you don't have to put yourself further in debt, okay? The third thing is, are you only making minimum payments on your debt? Paying the minimum on credit cards or even loans. That means you're stuck in the debt cycle. Interest keeps piling up and you'll pay way more than you did at the time of purchase over time because it keeps accumulating. So how do you fix it? Okay, you gotta pay extra on that debt. Even if it's just 20 to 50 bucks a month, can cut years off of your debt. Okay, you gotta get rid of it. And if I was you, because I was you years ago, I was putting every single dollar that I have to get rid of that debt, okay? And you need to too. Get out of the rat race and start building wealth. The next one is ignoring your money. Maybe you avoid your bank account or even looking at your bills to see how things are, okay? If you're looking at your balance and it does stress you out, this is a red flag, okay? Ignoring your money doesn't make problems disappear. It makes them worse. So how do you fix that? You gotta set a routine to check your accounts once a week to stay in control. What I do is I check mine every single day, okay? I like to know where my money is. Then I know exactly what's going on, and if I need to tweak something comes up, somebody gets sick, something needs to get something, there's an activity, something that we want to do, okay, I can tweak my finances quickly and easily because I know the numbers and I can get to the budget and where I'm spending it and tweak them very easily. And the last one is you have no emergency fund. That kind of goes back to the second one, okay? Or maybe it's just empty or there's just a little bit in there. I understand life happens. You might have unexpected bills, car repairs, medical expenses. I get it. It's called life, right? But if you don't have that safety net put into place, you're one emergency away from financial disaster. So how do you fix that? You have to start small. Saving $500 to $1,000 in a separate savings account is a great first step. My suggestion is to start on Dave Ramsey's baby step plan. He starts you out with $1,000 in a savings account first, and then you start attacking your debt until it's paid off. If you do this and you keep at it, you're going to see your wealth grow exponentially. Ignoring these warning signs won't make them go away. All right? The truth is, financial problems don't happen overnight. They build up over time because we don't take any action and we ignore them all along the way. But now you know what to look for, you know what to do, and more importantly, you know how to fix it. The key is to start small. Don't stress yourself out, okay? But consistent action towards getting your finances under control, looking at your debt, looking to see what you have to do in order to start building wealth. This can help break the paycheck to paycheck cycle, okay? And it helps you build a financial safety net. If you do these things, your future self will thank you, okay? You can do it. I know you can. If I can do it, anybody can do it, okay? That's it for the show today. Thanks for watching. Which warning sign hit home the most for you? Which one are you doing? And which one do you want to eliminate? Drop me a comment down below. You can grab a free copy of my book, Powerful Money Habits, Unleash Financial Freedom. You can grab a copy for yourself in the link below, and make sure you watch my masterclass where I help a couple of students solve their money goals in a few minutes, right? So until next time, this is Powerful Money Habits.